Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aji Prastio. My study number 9001050. I am here as chemical engineering student to discuss the development of plantation in Indonesia, especially in the field of palm oil plantation. Palm oil is grown from an area of 300,000 hectare to 60 million hectare according to GAPI data, with CPO production recently 40 million tons, with a very large production of CPO. Of course, it is very influential in the production process, especially in the process, namely in the field of the chemical engineering, with the CPO production can be processed into various types of preparation such as soap, ice cream, margarine, and cooking oil. In processing palm oil into CPO, of course, it requires proper processing so that CPO does not contain too high ALB, and this is the task of a chemical engineering. CPO processing begins with the following stage. 1. Palm fruit sorting. Palm oil fruit enters the palm oil plant. Quality and maturity must be checked properly. The process of checking palm oil fruit is often called fruit sorting. The types of fruit that enter the palm oil mill are generally Tenera or Dura types. The criteria for harvest maturity is very important factor in checking the quality of palm oil fruit at fruit receiving station. 2. The processing of boiling palm oil sterilizer. The fruit lorry that has been to sterilizer, or the process of boiling palm oil. The fruit lorry that has been filled with fresh fruit bunches is put into a sterilizer using a capstan. Purpose of the boiling. Reduction the increase the free fatty acid ALB or FFE. B. Simplify the process of releasing in the palm fruit on the thresher. C. Lowering the moisture content of the palm fruit. D. Soften the pulp of the palm fruit so that the fruit oil can easily be separated from the seed nut. 3. The function of threshing is the relation the palm fruit from its length palm bunch by lifting and slamming it and pushing the empty basket to the empty bunch conveyor. 4. Digester. Inside the digester, the fully filled fruit or loose fruit will be rotated or stirred using a steering arm attached to the second shaft, while the bottom knife is used as a thrower removing the palm fruit from the digester to screw press. 5. Press. The function the screw press in the pulp production process is the squeezing the coated palm fruit juices in the digester to get crude oil. 6. Oil purification process or clarification station. After going through the screw press process, there are still many production processes in the palm oil mill which will be explained in another article. Crude oil and press direct consist of fiber. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.